Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be trying and reviewing products from brands that are owned by couples.
Yes, because we are also a couple and we are also a couple who has our own brand, Simba Lifestyle. So we thought it would be a fun video to try
To support
out,
other brands also.
Other couple owned brands.
So a little bit about our own brand. As we mentioned, our brand is called Simba Lifestyle and we mainly do stationery products. Our most popular product, if you guys don't know, is our planner, our yearly planners. And also our makeup brushes, which are coming soon. They're going to be restocked really soon. Of course, we'll link our own website down below. But yeah, that's basically it. Let's get started with checking out all of these brands. I'm very excited. Are you excited?
Yes, very excited. Let's go.
Okay, so we're gonna get started with the most exciting brand, at least for me and even for you. It's called Skippy Ice Pops.
Yes, this was founded by Ravi and Anuja Kabra.
Basically, they saw kind of like a gap in the Indian market for hygienic and yummy ice pops.
Yes, which is a must for people like me because even I don't like street food because of the hygiene issue mainly. And we used to eat
Can't relate. I still eat it.
We used to eat a lot of those ice pop chuskis, and then there was this rumor कि gutter के पानी से बनाया जाता है. So
Yeah.
I stayed away from those after that rumor. Before that, we used to eat everything.
5 रुपए का आता था, बाद में 5 रुपए का आता था, पहले 1 रुपए का भी आता था, फिर 2 रुपए का थोड़ा मोटा वाला आता था, 5 रुपए का बड़ा वाला आता था.
After playing cricket, this was a must. ये तो चाहिए.
Yeah, even I loved it. What was your favorite flavor personally?
काला खट्टा.
Yeah,
orange
yeah.
but काला
Both
खट्टा
of those
भी.
were my favorite. एक Pepsi भी आता था.
हाँ, and एक white color वाला भी आता था.
हाँ, not I know Pepsi was a popular one. Also, comment down below which was your favorite flavor. So here we have the Skippy Pops. These come in a bunch of different flavors. The one that I have right now is काला खट्टा ही लग रहा है.
Raspberry.
Raspberry. Sorry.
I have orange.
Orange. Then we have क्या है ये?
This is cola
Mango Twist.
and lemon.
Okay, so I've heard a lot about the lemon flavor, so I'm gonna eat the lemon flavor. Which one do you want to try?
Of course, if there's mango, no questions asked.
Ek second. So let's read a few things. It says no artificial color, no artificial flavor, no artificial sweetener, no preservatives. Artificial preservative.
But sugar है.
I mean, obviously होगा ही.
कैंची से नहीं, दांत से करना रहता है ये.
Nice. I was expecting more from the lemon one. This just tastes like limca.
This is nice.
इतना बेकार फाड़ा है ना, कुछ फाड़ा ही नहीं है.
पी के देख, सब आएगा. समझा? ऐसे रहता है.
This is like Maaza.
हाँ.
है ना?
Maaza and Limca basically. मतलब वो कोक वाला तो कोका कोला ही है.
We're trying more flavors. I'm trying orange.
Raspberry. This is okay.
ऑरेंज में वो ऑरेंज वाला फ्लेवर नहीं आ रहा है. मतलब जो ओजी चुस्की में होता था ना,
ओजी चुस्की में बिकॉज ऑफ द वाटर वो अलग टेस्ट आता था ना.
ब्रो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा रास्पबेरी.
This is okay. Orange.
दिस इज माय फेवरेट वन सो फार.
I see what you mean. ऑरेंज वाला ऑरेंज टेस्ट नहीं है.
लास्ट फ्लेवर इज पेप्सी.
पेप्सी नहीं, कोला.
कोला सॉरी. दिस इज वेरी सिमिलर टू व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू गेट, है ना? माय फेवरेट वाज रास्पबेरी. तेरा?
मैंगो.
We just found out that they also have lychee flavor, which is Aditya's like most favorite flavor, and some really cool ones. Pineapple भी है, lemon है, pink guava भी है. So basically हमने ये वाला बॉक्स मंगाया था. This came with 12 popsicles for 240 rupees. So essentially 20 रुपए का एक popsicle. But इसका छोटा बॉक्स भी आता है, which is for approx 10 rupees per popsicle. So not bad actually. I feel like I was expecting कि और महंगा होगा, but उतना नहीं है. How much would you rate this?
I would give it like a 4 on 5 because the tastes are good and it's hygienic.
Yeah.
Popsicle. So
Yeah.
a good option to give for kids or whoever you want. मतलब अपने लिए भी, but बच्चों के लिए तो और भी अच्छा है.
Yeah, so I would want the future generation to also enjoy चुस्की.
But at the same time बाहर वाला भी उसका अलग मजा है.
Obviously, but ये hygienic way. But अच्छा है. I like the concept. अच्छा, something new.
Very nice.
Brand number 2 that we have is called Paradise.
Yes, this is founded by Yushika Jolly and Siddharth Raghuvanshi.
So basically, how this started was that Yushika was or is a hair color enthusiast, and she was just really frustrated with the lack of variety in the market, which is so true. I feel like before Paradise came in, utna options
नहीं था.
nahi tha in terms of like the colors. And by the way, this is the first semi-permanent hair color brand in India. So personally, I have used their product. When I used to have red hair in between my touch-ups, that is what I would use, and I have personally had a great experience with Paradise. But today I thought that maybe we should try something else other than their colors. We have this right here. Both of us can use this product. I mean, the hair color also you can use if you're in the mood to color your hair a funky color. Yeah, so this is something that we can try right now. So this is a hair mist.
Okay.
Do you know what a hair mist does?
No idea.
So basically, it's kind of like a perfume for your hair. Like, it will make your hair smell good, but at the same time, it can also provide intense hydration.
Okay.
So basically, इसमें है butterfly pea and rosemary, and the color is so pretty.
Yeah, the color is nice.
Let's spray it on our hand first. Nice. काफी calming smell है.
Fragrance अच्छा है. Very.
Are you ready?
Aqua.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Smells good.
Hmm.
Show me your hair. थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा है.
आ तो रहा है.
So I just want to see it doesn't make your hair feel like
Sticky,
greasy. Does it for you?
Not yet. अभी तक तो नॉर्मली जैसा.
I think आदित्य ने थोड़ा ज्यादा ही मार दिया मेरे बाल पे. थोड़ा सा लग रहा
स्प्रे
है.
मारा है.
No, I don't think so actually.
It's not sticky.
It's just a little bit wet, which it will obviously evaporate.
Exactly.
Okay, so this was a fun product. Obviously, it's not something that you need in your life. It's just like a fun product to have. I feel like if you're someone who goes to the gym and has to like refresh their hair, and if you don't want your hair to feel or smell weird, I think this would make a good product.
Definitely, yeah.
And in general, I was just going through their website right now, and I realized that since the last time I checked, they have developed so many new products. So they have a hair care range which is meant for different hair. So like if you have red color ka hair, they have a red shampoo
Oh.
so that your hair color doesn't fade.
yeah.
And they have the same for like purple and like all of these different colors. So I feel like they're doing such a cool job.
That's a cool idea.
Yeah, so I think I would rate this brand again like a 4 out of 5. I
yeah.
think they're doing such a great job, and it's such a unique brand in the Indian market.
The next brand that we have is Cheesecake & Co, founded by Shreya and Himanshu.
So basically, as the name suggests, it's a cheesecake brand. Both of them have curated a bunch of different variety, like a wide variety apparently of cheesecakes. Oh, and the special feature is that it's pure veg, like it's eggless cheesecake. So they also have like an assortment if you want to try like a proper box with like different flavors. But unfortunately, it's not available while we're shooting this video. So we decided to pick the most like classic flavor of cheesecake जो आजकल बहुत popular हो रहा है, which is
Lotus Biscoff Cheesecake.
and we also really like Lotus Biscoff cheesecake. So let's see what the hype is about. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm eating dessert after a long time. Cheers.
अच्छा है. The cheesecake, जो cheesecake था उसका, वो बहुत अच्छा है.
Cheesecake, but crust में like crust is supposed to be a little bit like it was very soft.
But cheesecake बहुत अच्छा.
हाँ, cheesecake बहुत अच्छा. I agree.
पूरे महीने का नो शुगर का एक ही टाइम में खिला.
So what do you have to say?
So I think the cheesecake in itself is amazing. The cheesecake का जो taste है वो बहुत अच्छा है. I think maybe इनका न्यूयॉर्क बेक cheesecake और भी अच्छा आएगा. Crust अच्छा है, मतलब I have tasted better, but overall I would give it like a 3.515.
Yeah. Somehow we're like agreeing on everything today. So this in itself was actually quite nice, but I was just going through like the Zomato page and I felt like in terms of like the flavors, it was very generic.
Generic flavors.
Like ऐसे कुछ बहुत कोई unique, as I was saying, कुछ ऐसे बहुत unique flavor नहीं था. एक था dark cherry वाला जो थोड़ा unique था. But I feel like other than that, everything else also that they
Kat,
sell.
truffle, Nutella.
Yeah.
The similar flavors.
Yeah, it's very like जो सब करते हैं almost. I feel like they also do brownies by the way and like regular cakes. In case you're interested,
we can try the red velvet as well.
Yeah, I'm interested to see what
Yeah,
that tastes
Red Velvet
like.
cheesecake might be a good one.
But yeah, our first impression is I think it's pretty good, 3.5 out of 5. Okay, so what's the next brand?
The next brand is called Wise Life by Pratik and Shreya.
So basically, इनका story ये है कि both of them when they were completing their CA का articleship, they were feeling very stressed, so they started doing yoga at home, and because of the yoga mat, they suffered an injury.
Yeah.
So because of that, they decided that they should come up with yoga mats, and now they also do like accessories and like home workout stuff.
Yeah.
So yoga mat obviously is like their main thing, but both of us have so many yoga mats already at home. But there were some really unique products that we wanted to try. The first one is such a cool one, and this is exactly what we needed.
Exactly what we need. Yeah. So this is a yoga mat detox which you can spray on your yoga mat. This is a very useful product when you go to a gym because gym में बहुत लोग आते हैं and not everyone cleans up after they use. So
Yeah.
very important.
So like when we're doing stretching and stuff like that, obviously the floor isn't the most clean, right? So when we lay the mat down and then by the end of it, it just feels not very clean. So this is something that I'm going to be adding to my gym mat.
Gym bag.
Bag, sorry, gym bag. दो मिनट इसके ingredients पढ़ते हैं. I'm assuming that इसमें कुछ तो alcohol होगा, right?
रहेगा
For
ये.
it to like
देखना ये
sanitize.
shelf पे.
थोड़ा सा तो आ रहा है alcohol का smell.
Yeah, थोड़ा sanitizer spray type. Flashback 2020.
Okay, so this has lavender, neem, tulsi, aloe vera, and basil. It says that this is safe for the mat, for the body, and for the room. Antibacterial hai. Okay, yeah, so antibacterial, probably that's how it cleanses. It's non-toxic, it's eco-friendly, it's cruelty-free, and paraben-free. So self-explanatory how you would use it. You would spray this on your yoga mat and then wipe it down. The next brand that we have is called Cosmix.
Yes, it's founded by Vibha and Surya.
So how this brand came to life was because of Vibha's personal journey with PCOS, and she was trying to find natural solutions. She turned towards Ayurveda, herbalism, and wahan se basically both of them came together and came up with a plant-based supplement brand. So I have used their products in the past. Some I really like, some of them are okay. Today is a really fun product.
Today we are trying the Passion Potion.
So basically मेरा thought ये था कि since we're doing a couple video, we're a couple as well. So what this product is supposed to do is
I don't want to assume from the name.
so basically this is an aphrodisiac blend. It's supposed to boost libido by reducing stress and improve your sexual well-being. So मैंने इनका Bring Me Bliss भी try किया, which is like a blue color का powder.
I remember वो.
It's supposed to make you feel happy basically and like reduce your stress. I don't know how much that works, to be very honest, but I know quite a few people who use their protein powder.
Yeah.
मैंने खुद ने भी खरीदा है and taste उतना अच्छा नहीं है. Like it's a really weird consistency.
But sometimes I think they say that if the taste is not good, it means it's actually
Yeah.
has that protein content.
I guess. Oh, it smells like hot chocolate. Like they say even chocolate is an aphrodisiac, right? Okay, let's add this to पानी में ऐड करना है ना इसको? हाँ, पानी में ऐड करना है.
ज्यादा मत डाल, वीडियो इधर ही बंद हो जाएगा.
Shut up.
एहे रहा नहीं जाता तड़प ही ऐसी है ना.
Okay, should I go first? It's basically like cocoa powder in water. I don't think you're gonna like the taste. I don't mind it. Like I'm not picky like him. Like I don't care.
थोड़ा कड़वा है.
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
थोड़ा कड़वा है.
I don't care for the taste. Like I don't mind it. I don't hate it. I don't love it. It's very like neutral.
तो थोड़ा कड़वा लग रहा है, एक डार्क चॉकलेट वाला कोको पाउडर विद वाटर,
Correct,
वो
correct.
टाइप का.
Now if this works or not, यहाँ पे text पे हम डालेंगे because I don't think we can tell right now. But I feel like overall this brand has a very like appeal, like a very Gen Z appeal. I love the packaging. I love how they market it on Instagram as well.
So they give you this card as well where you can mark your progress for 21 days of each day when you have the product, and they also give a second card which is like a thank you card.
So in general, बहुत like cute है. You have to go check out their Instagram page. It's very cute. So how much would you rate this brand?
I personally did not like the dark chocolate taste a lot, but the products are effective as far as what I've heard. So I think 3.5 on 5.
I would give it a 4 because in general, like not a lot of people are doing plant-based
Yeah,
protein
that's true.
powders, and in general, the variety and like the thought and the innovation
Even the
behind
products
each
are very,
product,
very unique products.
हाँ, मतलब बहुत cool है. Like एक बार आप देखोगे ना, you'll get to know. So yeah, 4 out of 5 for me. Next, we have a fashion brand.
Yeah. The brand is called Little Box, and it's a fast fashion brand that caters to Gen Z audience. It is founded by Partha and Rimchim.
So I just went through their website. It has stuff both for females and males, but mainly like they have so many options
Yeah.
for females. And abhi मैं just website for the second time scroll कर रही थी, and it made me want to add like 10 things to the cart. Like it's so cute, and especially abhi जो Valentine's Day collection drop हुआ है. इतना ज्यादा क्यूट है. We've of course placed an order, but the pieces that we've placed an order for were placed in like December. So let us show you guys what we've ordered. Okay, so the first outfit is right here. It's a 2-piece set. I've already worn it on one of my trips in the past, and I think it's cute.
Yeah.
It's not bad, but I personally am not a very big fan of the kind of material that they use, and that is a theme with like every single product. Then we have this one, again very like trendy, but I don't love the material of this one. I mean, I don't hate it, but I feel like when you look at it in person, it doesn't look very
Yeah.
premium. You know what I mean?
I
Like
understand.
thoda sa cheap-ish feel hai iska. Okay, so this is what it looks like. What do you think?
I think it looks good on you. Looks very professional for some reason.
Yeah, I think it's quite cute. I like the boat neck, one shoulder moment. It's just the fabric and the crotch area, which I don't love. But I think it's not bad. Like for
Not
the
bad.
price, cute. Then I also got these trousers, जिसका fabric I actually like. It's not bad. ये, if I'm not wrong, ये sets में भी मिलते हैं. Like दो के sets you can buy together. Fit is also quite nice. Just एक छोटी सी चीज is that the length is a little short. Like even if by 2 inches इसका length लंबा होता है, it would have looked so sick. But I am very happy with these, and like I would buy more of these. Now for Aditya. Aditya has no idea what we've ordered for him, and he's gonna have to try them out to like give the review. So the first thing is this jogger pant thing. I'm not sure ये कैसा लगने वाला है तेरे पे.
But I need these for just everyday
Okay.
use.
What do you think?
The fit is fine. I think it's a little bit long for me. But overall comfortable तो है. Pockets अच्छे हैं. पीछे fake pockets है.
You have the female pockets जो हमारे
Not a
outfit
fan
में
of
डालते हैं.
these, but I think बाकी यहाँ पे 2 है. यहाँ पे normal pockets है. यहाँ पे भी pockets है. So
Cute. I think it's okay. Like I don't love.
हाँ, मतलब it's nice.
Yeah, I think it's the top that's throwing you off. Like a different
Of course, top to
thing that you could wear with it. But अच्छा है, I like it. Then we have this quad set situation. Not bad. इसका fabric उतना खराब नहीं है. Like है polyester ही
हाँ,
है ये,
polyester है.
but उतना खराब वाला polyester नहीं है ये.
ये सेट के बारे में ऑलरेडी हैड अ डाउट. ये मुझे फिट भी अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है. इट लुक्स वेरी ऑड. सो प्लस कलर भी मुझे नहीं जम रहा है. सो ये वाला thumbs down.
You can try and show us how it
No, I'm
looks
fine.
like.
मैं अंदर ही ट्राई करके खुश नहीं था, तो कैमरा पे तो मैं नहीं दिखा रहा हूँ.
And then we have another quad set. Very, I like this. Very
Yeah.
like neutral.
Yeah, I like this as well.
And इसका भी fabric अच्छा है, by the way. Like thick fabric है, and then it has the line thing. Next outfit. Casual, cute. Is it
Very
comfy?
nice, very comfortable. बहुत अच्छा फैब्रिक है.
एकदम स्कूल का बॉय लग रहा है.
एकदम
स्कूल बॉय.
एकदम गोवा वाइब है.
हाँ, वो है. Agreed. Cute.
Very
Nice. Overall, I think I would rate it like a 3.75 or maybe even a 3.75.
I think I would give it a
It's confusing, na?
yeah. I think 3.75 kind of sums it.
Yeah,
up.
because their website is so cute, and I am going to like buy more things.
Yeah.
Because I feel like कोई बहुत अच्छी ये चीज है, कोई okay. So 3.75 I think
Out
is
of
good.
it, yeah. Next up, we have a bakery chain called as the Baker's Dozen, founded by chef Aditi Handa and Sneha Jain.
So basically, this has been around for a while. While doing the research, हमें समझ में आया, it's been around since 2013, and we have been having their bread. You know the bagels?
Yeah.
That we used to have a lot like 2 years ago. are from the same brand. So I feel like they really have revolutionized the way Indians eat bread. And उनका speciality sourdough. So हाँ उनका sourdough बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छा.
उनका multigrain bread is something that हमारे घर पे week में एक बार आता ही है. They are bagels I haven't had since a while,
Yeah.
but we used to eat them at least once a week for like a year straight probably. Today we have a few products that we haven't tried. So we have the butter garlic toast, which is zero maida, and then we have a rich chocolate cake. Again, this has no palm oil, no trans fat, but मैदे का है ये I think. But
Handmade
उनके
with pure cocoa powder.
but उनके a lot of their products are like very like healthy, like मैदे के बिना होते हैं, multi-grain के होते हैं. Like you really need to go and check out their brand. They're also available on Zepto, Swiggy, so you can like actually place an order and it'll be at your home in like 20, 15, 20 minutes. What do you want to try first?
I think the butter garlic toast.
Ooh, smells so good. And this is zero maida, so okay, guilt free. बहुत अच्छा. I would expect nothing less from them, to be honest.
Healthy version of garlic bread.
It kind of smells like the brownie that you
Exactly,
baked.
exactly what I was gonna say.
एकदम soft है,
Hmm.
like moist.
Like a proper घर पे बनाया हुआ केक.
Yeah, बहुत अच्छा है. And overly sweet नहीं है, which I like. Like it's sweet obviously, but it's not like sugar rush type. I personally would rate this brand like a 4.5
Yeah, same.
out of 5. I could also even give it like a 5 out of 5 also, because I love this brand. They're doing such a good job. Everything's made with such like good quality ingredients. It's freshly made.
Yeah.
Love it.
We actually love it. We've been using their products almost every day. So
Yeah.
proper 4.5 on 5.
On to our last brand, and I feel like this video wouldn't be complete without mentioning this power couple's name. It just wouldn't feel right. So what brand are we talking about?
The brand we're talking about is Aqualogica by Varun and Ghazal.
So I'm sure you've heard of Mamaearth. This is one of their brands under their Honasa umbrella. They have so many brands under that umbrella. But I really wanted to pick Aqualogica because I think I would say it's my favorite out of all of their brands. And they have some cool new products. सबसे पहले we have sunscreen. मुझे sunscreen दिखाना ही था because I really feel no one does sunscreen like Aqualogica. Like they're so good at making sunscreens. We're gonna be trying it today on Aditya. Of course, I've tried this sunscreen lots of times. Even you've tried Aqualogica sunscreens.
I've tried these, yeah.
But I'm gonna give you a live demo of how quickly this sunscreen just like blends into your skin and then gives you that glow.
Glow
Looks
तो है.
good. मतलब basically कुछ लगाया ही नहीं है वैसा feeling है, but हल्का glow है.
ये साइड पे भी लगा ना तो अभी एक साइड से चमकेगा.
This is the next product. I think Aditya, you're really gonna like the way it looks.
Oh.
So cute, right?
Yeah. क्या है ये?
Oh, so you twist the bottom. Oh, and then it comes out of here. That's cool. मतलब even I'm actually seeing this for the first time. मैंने कभी use नहीं किया. It's a moisturizer. It's a fluid milk moisturizer. We're again gonna try it on Aditya. I love the packaging. It's so cute. Again, very similar consistency. एकदम lightweight है. Aditya's the guinea pig. Because I'm sure तूने आज क्या किया है पूरे दिन में? सिर्फ face wash किया, right?
Perfect.
Ideally, I should have applied the moisturizer first and then the sunscreen, but it's okay.
ट्यूटोरियल देख ले, मृदुल शर्मा करके यूट्यूबर है उसका.
क्या चीज का?
पहले क्या लगाना है.
अच्छा हमको सिखा रिया है.
अरे दूसरे साइड में तो लगा.
Look at it. It's like a popsicle. So cute. Very innovative. So I feel like Aqualogica को I would again give like a 4.5 honestly.
Yeah, I would give like a 4. मैं इतना नहीं यूज किया था.
हाँ.
मैंने सनस्क्रीन बाकी ये भी कभी यूज नहीं किया.
Correct.
So like,
But उनके products overall बहुत अच्छे होते हैं and I'm so glad to see like innovation in terms of packaging. Very cool. Like packaging is something that I love personally and it makes me want to buy the product. So yeah, We should have probably said this in the beginning of the video, but this video is not sponsored by any brand. All of the opinions, the views that we've given are our own. Actually, even when it's a sponsored video, the opinions are our own.
Exactly.
But yeah, we
But
needed
yeah.
to mention this.
We'll make sure to link all the brands that we have talked about in the description box below. So definitely go and check them out.
You too can support these brands. Yeah, I think that's basically it. Subscribe to the channel.
Follow
Give
us
this
on
video,
Instagram.
give this video a thumbs up.
Also, don't forget to subscribe to Mridul's channel. We are very close to 1 million, so definitely go and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.